Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Now, today, that was my old button, like the last videos and that, so, yeah, today, we are going to be talking about my new keyboard. It's a mechanical, and, yeah, and then I got a new mouse. Oh, and if you want, go check out my other channel. It's called Tyler Kelly on it. I have like 16 or not 25, 28 subscribers on it. So please like hit that like and subscribe button on it, and like yeah, share it to everybody and try and make people like subscribe. But that's my dream, to have like a subscriber, like 50 subscribers at least, like 50 subscribers at least by the end of the year. Come on. Oh, and then I'll show you my jewelry I got. I've got this. And then, if I can take it off. I got this. So, this and then this. So, yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Nice. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and I'm on a Chromebook, by the way, so don't blame me if it's really laggy. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, but you probably didn't because I'm crap at doing videos. But my dream is to have like 100 subscribers at least. Like that's my dream, like to become famous or something like that. So just please subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm just like asking you to if you can. Like you don't have to if you don't want to, because I'm not begging you. I'm not that sort of person. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.